PhD from Madras University and PhD from Guru Nanak College. He successfully cleared his UGC NET examination and is currently serving as a head of department commerce at Don Bosco College, Chennai. He has handled various courses including international finance, industrial law, security law and market operations, etc. He has also released various journal publications with ISBN numbers. He has delivered various special lectures across different colleges in Chennai, including entrepreneurial networking and challenges at our college in May 2020. He has also directed numerous research projects under his guidance. We are delighted to have you on this class, sir. I request you to kindly introduce yourself.
Commerce is our major in commerce. There is 12th standard studying commerce. Technology in Diploma. What's your plan after this? Chemistry? Technology? Okay. Then, before I start the session, I'll ask you 6 questions, 5 to 6 questions. What is the GDP of India? Even if you are from non-commerce, you should know this. What is the GDP of India? And the value is anyone? Someone give a raw guess. Raw guess. What is the GDP of India? I don't want to waste time. $3.75 trillion. Any data? Second question for you. Can anyone differentiate between nominal, because these are all connected to the subject, so I am giving the baseline. Can you differentiate nominal, real and purchasing power parity? I will not put forth as a question, but I will explain this. Let's assume we are living in 1970. Now, 1970. என் கையில் வந்து 1 கிராம் கோல்டு Thanos மாதிரி அப்படியே டைம் மிஷின்ல 2024 டிராவல் பண்ணுறோம். அப்படி சொல்லுங்க. Did I made any change in the gram of gold? No. 1970 ல இருந்த gold price க்கும் இப்போ 2024 ல இருந்த gold price க்கும் difference இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஏன் அந்த difference? நான் அப்படியே சொல்லிருக்கேன். Why it happens? Inflation, demand for the gold, future prospects of the gold. So for example, in the coffee வந்து 500 rupees வச்சுக்கோம். For example, I am planning to sell this for 600 rupees to her. Will she purchase it? Sir, 500 is the highest seller வாங்கணும். But suppose if she feels that she can sell this in the market for 700, she will buy for 600. Share market அப்படிதான். ஒரு ரிலையன்ஸ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி இருக்கு இல்லையா? ரிலையன்ஸ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியோட ஷேர் எவ்வளவு இன்னைக்கு guess? 3000 ரூபாய். இன்னைக்கு அந்த ஷேரோட ஒரிஜினல் வேல்யூ எவ்வளவு தெரியுமா? 96 ரூபாய். 96 rupees. 96 rupees share is traded in the market for 3000. எப்படி சார் நடக்குது அப்படின்னா because the one who is purchasing is also believing that he can sell it for excess amount. அப்போ these three components if it mix together it forms the price increase. என்னது மேம் சொன்னாங்க inflation. ஒரு வருஷமும் ஒரு பொருளுடைய விலை வந்து அதிகமாகிட்டே போகும். Inflation. Second one is demand. Third one is future prospects. இந்த மூணு சேரும் பொழுது ஒரு பொருளோட விலை மேலே போகும் இல்ல ஒரு பொருளோட விலை கீழே போகும். Clear? இப்போ அந்த பொருளோட விலை மேலே போகுது இல்லையா? we call that as nominal. அதுல inflation மட்டும் நீங்க எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா we call that as real. Clear with this example? Nominal அப்படின்னா inflation is added. Real அப்படின்னா inflation is deleted. மூணாவது வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் purchasing power kind. லாஸ்டா யாரா மெக்டனல்ஸ்ல பதில் சொல்றீங்க? யார் சொல்றீங்க? மூணு பதில் சொல்றீங்களா? காலேஜ் சொல்றீங்களா? சாப்பிடலாமா? எவ்வளவு பதில் சொல்றீங்க?
combo also.
No, பதில் சொல்லுங்க.
Only Yoga 79.
மெக்டனல்ஸ் சொல்றீங்க?
Only Yoga 99. 79 only add. If we want to add
Yes.
extra.
Okay, we go with 79. Our budget 79 சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா? ஒரு டாலர் how much rupees? 80. சூப்பரா. இப்போ let's assume burger இருக்கு இல்லையா? In America let's assume a burger is $2 வச்சுக்கோங்க. $2. இந்தியால அதே burger சாப்பிட்டோம்னா it will be 79 rupees. அப்படி வச்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த $2 அப்படியே கன்வர்ட் பண்ணா 166 தான் வரும். But why they are selling for 79? It happens or not? வீட்டுக்கு போய் நான் ஒரு சின்ன அசைன்மெண்ட் எழுதி வாட் இஸ் த லிட்டர் ஆஃப் மில்க் இன் அமெரிக்கா பாருங்க 1 liter of milk in America 1 liter of milk in India is there a price difference or not there is a price difference அது பேர் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா for understanding this price difference we have a term called the big mac index mac என்னது அவங்க சாப்பிட்டாங்க அதான் mac big mac index னு ஒன்று இருக்கு அது என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னா அமெரிக்கால இருக்கிற பர்கரும் இந்தியால இருக்கிற பர்கரும் சேம் பிரைஸ் கிடையாது there is a difference for example umbrella இருக்கும் umbrella வந்து இந்தியால 200 rupees இருக்கும் அமெரிக்கால பார்த்தீங்கன்னா $10 இருக்கும் $10 கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணா 831 rupees தானே பட் இந்தியால 200 rupees கிடைக்கும் why this difference is happening this is what we mean by purchasing power parity இந்த purchasing power parity உடைய கால்குலேஷன் படி ஒரு டாலர் வந்து 83 கிடையாது ஒரு டாலர் வந்து 21 rupees 49 பைசே இன்னைக்கு ரேட் ஓகேவா இப்போ நாளைக்கு நீங்க அமெரிக்கால போய் வாழ்றீங்க suppose you are planning to reside in America then you know what will be the actual cost of transaction you should not compare with the dollar exchange you should compare with PPP purchasing power parity which says that அமெரிக்கால நீங்க $1 என்ன வாங்குறீங்களோ அதை இங்க 21 rupees வாங்குறீங்க that's what we mean by purchasing power parity she is India okay she is India she produced this bag let's assume she produced it for 90 rupees 90 rupees she produced it for 90 rupees when she sell for 90 rupees profitable yeah she is planning to sell for 100 so what is the value of this bag now 100 rupees in 2022-23 she produced this bag for 100 rupees no one purchased it யாருமே வாங்கல next year will she sell it for the same price
No.
inflation correct idea அப்ப she is planning to sell it for 105 rupees now 2022-23 what is the value of the bag 100 2023-24 what is the value of the bag 5% increase now this is called nominal GDP from 100 it became 105 real GDP is 100 only and inflation is better over here so this is what the meaning is clear 40,000 money only after சரியா to start a company 7,500 11,000 the brand will be extra to start a company should you have a place should you have a place sir company la yada irukkom say la share company fake government will come police will come to start a company should you have a place there is something called virtual place virtual office work of fella under இருக்கு அது ஏடா போட்டுட்டோம் work of fella இந்த ரோட்ல போனீங்கன்னா ஒரு இடம் இருக்கு work of fella that means you can start a company in a common place you don't have to have a specific space to start a company in Spencer Plaza 7th floor when you are free please go 110 companies are there in this place that are there in the classroom these 110 companies are there now you can say this is 110 people will work there only one representative will be there almost in a company they will be working at home work from home only the company or a registered office is the place the company's representative will get home 110 companies are working in this small place it is not big deal the title for class big means not necessarily that everything should go in a structured way many things are there which can be done in an unstructured manner அதெல்லாம் big அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க okay I am good at big because I have been doing that for last 6 years 6 years at big தான் இருக்கும் big இருக்கறனால some of the advantages that I have is I was able to marry at a very young age I was able to get a baby at a very young age okay I started making and I learned to be at a very young age it's because of big when I was 25 அப்போ வந்து I was able to touch my highest weight இன்னொரு கூட touch பண்ணேன் it's because of the big I was able to touch around 1 lakh இது ஒரு மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஏஜென்சி கிடையாது ப்ரொஃபசர் சரிங்களா I will take you in the proper way on what big works upon big is basically resilience or mean social students resilience when you come across the term resilience common பண்ணதுமா இங்கிலீஷ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் resilience அப்படின்னா தடைகள் வந்தாலும் அதை தடுத்து நிறுத்துவது தான் resilience have the power to stop something so for instance you are starting a company with your partner your friend or you are starting a partnership suddenly your partner is saying I don't want to work along with you அப்போ another partner is not there your company is dissolved right and அந்த நேரத்துல வந்து you should stay strong இன்னொரு partner ஆக resilience example கேட்காதீங்க suppose let's assume you are getting low mark or failing in an exam but listen, you stay strong. Next exam you compensate it. That's what resilience. Clear? For an entrepreneur, resilience is very important. And there is something for that you do. I will explain to you in a very simple manner. Since I know you are from sociology, commerce background, I will make it very simple. Any doubts? Ask them. And I know they are not going to meet each other. So hardly after 40 minutes we are going to see. So any doubt, please ask me. I am not a regular professor to you, so you can have the liberty to ask questions. So these are the agendas now. We are going to see all these things. Okay, we'll start now. Okay. Check. Menu vada is tasty, right? Especially with sambar. Sambar lo 5 minutes prepare and taste karenge. To make a menu vada, how much will it cost? 10 rupees, sure. Can you change your numbers? She said she will make it for 10 rupees. Sorry, menu vada say what are the ingredients? I come with Urad first. Okay, do you know to make Urad? Do you know to make Urad? One purchase comes. Urad क्या बनेगा? Planting. Planting पे मन में planting की जगह लगाएगा. You have to do everything of your own. You have to do everything of your own. You said Urad. Urad, you have to do everything of your own. Next oil எடுத்துக்கலாமா? Do you know to make oil? You can purchase, you can make, but to make an oil, what is needed? Groundnut. So groundnut oil is needed. Now groundnut will not make groundnut area. So groundnut or land one year, you are doing groundnut. The moment you complete the groundnut, urad will be expired. Correct? So now think about the entire vada ingredients. Will you be able to make everything of your own? Even in your lifetime, you cannot make it. A single vada. There are Adam Smith, no Adam Smith, social father of Adam Smith took a safety pin. They asked the students, the pin says, how many minutes, how many days will it take? The person told like 2 days, 1 hour, 2 hours. Then Adam Smith said, even in your lifetime, you cannot make a single safety pin of your own. Adam Smith 20 minutes pounds sterling because this is where the gig economy started. Division of labor. நீங்க அத பண்ணுங்க, நீங்க இத பண்ணுங்க, அவங்க அத பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க உருக்கால் பண்ணுங்க, நீங்க ஆயில் பண்ணுங்க, நீங்க வந்து சில்லி பண்ணுங்க. Each of you do your work and ultimately when the final product comes, you make it as a single product, final product. Nice? So each of you take up your own items. That is what we will make division of labor. A very structured way of starting an employment. For example, I am a professor. What is my work in my college? I go, I teach, I conduct exam, I correct the papers, I give the marks. அடுத்த batch को சேர்னா அடுத்த batch को சேர்னா. And based on my experience, my performance increases. Because this is my 6th year of teaching field. இப்போ நான் first year இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் வந்து I will say I will not be able to present that. My voice may not be audible. The fan which is சுத்தினா கூட என் voice அங்க reach ஆகலையா? That is because of the experience. So the more and more you do something, you will become a specialist person in it. First thing is the definition of a gig economy. Gig economy is simple. There is something called structured employment. What is called structured employment? Let's assume you complete your degree, you go for a job, 9 to 5. See, 9 to 5 is a beautiful job. Don't ever criticize it. Okay? And I'm saying you go for a company, they give a 9 to 5 job, you get a salary, you get some perks, PF, ESI, gratuity, bonus will be given 11 months before, bonus will be given before November month of every year. That's a mandatory bonus factor. So there is a structured way of employment. This is what you are getting. With a 12.5% PF, ESI, all these are given. We call them as a structured employment. If unstructured employment, unstructured employment, let's assume in the week they are opening the tap, morning. Tap kaiyod vandu. While going to college, what do you do now? Tap kaiyod vandu. Plumber kodutillaya. You call plumber rights. Unga name bata plumber. Your colleague sir, all I want to do is help me. He is coming and repairing that. Okay? He is charging some 500 rupees. You are making it work is done. Evening after when you are going home, bike இருக்குல்லையா bike. அந்த bike வந்து repair பண்ணிட்டு. Someone's bike is repairing. So asking, morning you are working as a plumber, Even you are working as a mechanic, yaar are you? What is your asking question? Yaar you? Every morning you work for daily wage. Because he saying, I studied it, I learned it, Indian product, what is your But actually, he's working in a company somewhere else. அப்ப இங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க பார்ட் டைம் சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா வளர பார்ட் டைம் அப்படின்னா ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல் பட் ஏன் இந்த ஸ்டேஜ் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் பே யாராவது வந்து அவரை ஹெல்ப் கேட்கும்போது இஸ் டூயிங் அண்ட் anyone suppose he thinks that requires his help he is personally asking for your problem I will want to serve so this is an example of a gig economy that is not working in a structured way but in an unstructured way here is unstructured way இப்போ காலையில வந்து for instance but let's assume உங்க வீட்ல வந்து your parents are saying anytime you want anywhere to go you can go you don't have to ask for permission you need full independence autonomous anywhere you can go and we will not give money apna pannunga you cannot go anywhere else so this is where in 1947 India got its independence but India was not financially stable in 1991 we had something called LPG liberalization privatization and then something called globalization. If the globalization is there, automatically will take. What is the meaning of globalization is, the world has become a village, anyone can go anywhere, anyone can spend money anywhere, anyone can invest money anywhere, anyone can start a business anywhere. Without globalization. For instance, let's assume you are in Tamil Nadu. Can you start a business in America? Yes. Can an American person invest in Tamil Nadu? Yes. And the opportunity came after 91 only, not before that. So that is what we mean by globalization of resilience. When any problem comes, you should be able to face it. Correct? What are the problems that a student generally faces? As a student, what are the problems you face? Data, safeguarding. What is the real problem the student faces? Exams. Exam temperature is the mark in the middle. Then exam. Another problem of academic exams, then assignments. Others you can have like this. Morning you are coming to college until the time you are staying in the college. This is a problem. Saturday is a Monday or Sunday is a Monday or Monday to Friday is a Sunday. Sunday is a you can go anywhere, you can enjoy explore your life. What is this?
Yes.
What is the answer? See here, students face some problems like this. You have to list a list of problems that you face. What are the problems an entrepreneur faces? Entrepreneur, the one who starts a business, face the problem, okay. I will say one example case because whatever I am saying is available in theory. I will say one practical example. One of my colleagues, he started a company in 2021. And he ended 2021. Now he suggested please avoid doing starting of the company. And the company was rent to 21% relaxation. 2021, the rent that he was paying was around 35,000 rupees. Dress shop in Ananagar. In the class, 35,000 rupees he paid rent and he started dress shop. First 3 months he was not facing much problems. And he was doing online selling of dresses also. But after the pandemic was relaxed more, many competitions are coming. And when any crisis comes, like pandemic, when the pandemic gets over, everything comes again, like mushroom. It becomes difficult to survive. After the pandemic, it's very difficult to survive with the economic business. Even the first 3 months he was able to do well. 3 months he paid nothing. But 4th month he was not able to pay rent. Rent pay so 1 month notice then he was not able to pay the rent because he was not making sufficient amount of profit. Our profit he shut down his company in the 5th month. This is what happened for him. This is case number 1. Another case I will say. Let's assume the mobile phone is there. Let's assume mobile phone tea. I am making a tea for 8 rupees. I'm selling it for 10 rupees in the market. I wanted to make extra 1 rupee profit. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? சொல்லுங்க. I'm making a tea for 8 rupees. I'm selling it for 10 rupees. I'm making 2 rupee profit. I want 3 rupee profit. What can I do? என்னமா? Tea cup போடலாம் அப்படியே. You make 7 rupees. How will you make it for 7 rupees? Percentage. அதெல்லாம் காசு அதிகமாக சரியா? ஆல்ரெடி குவாலிட்டி இல்ல. இந்த கடையில் வர மாட்டா. பக்கத்துல புக் அதிகமான காசு அதிகமாகல. காசு அதிகமான வேறு காசு அதிகமாகல. நீ காசு அதிகமாக 8 rupees 8 rupees It's an imperfect market. We say when you do certain things like this, they will find a competitor. या वो लगी बड़ा competitor निकला. अगर करके वाला, जब भी कभी साफ हो रहा, और इसलिए आप करें something else. Reuse of the glass. So you will save the money in the glass. And in glass like is going to even in spite of the glass, you are making for 8 rupees. Now, you will get copy of it. Next. All the answers are correct. Okay. The actual answer is what we call the dash. Any idea? No? Term, common term. Cartel breaking bad பார்த்துக்கலாம். Breaking bad. என்ன பார்க்கணும்? இந்த காலேஜ்ல நிறைய சென்டர்ல நான் கேள்விப்பட்டேன். So, yes sir. The University of Madras they are writing it. How do you study this? Breaking bad है तो एक तो मतलब left side something like this. Okay, I think now alright. And now first what you should do is இப்போ டீ 8 rupees சேவ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? பாத்துக்கலாம். டீ வந்து 8 rupees சேவ் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Two more promotions are advertised. The 8 rupees will become 9 rupees. 8 rupees will become 9 rupees. But when you do more promotions, more advertisements, what will happen? More number of people will come. More number of people will come means what will happen? Economies of scale will happen. That means 8 rupees tea will become 9 rupees. 9 rupees again become 8 rupees. 8 rupees will become 7 rupees, 9 rupees. It will not happen shortly. It will take 1 year or it will take 6 months also. This is how the system works. Now again I come back to the vada example. Let's assume you are making the first vada all by yourself. Adile cost over. For example, let's assume you are Superman. You are everything you are doing by yourself. ஒரு vada ஒரு price over. அப்போ ஐயா அம்மா நீங்க தான் லேண்ட் வாங்குறீங்க. நீங்க தான் அறுவடை பண்றீங்க. You are buying the machine. You are buying the government land, oil, machines. So much price, right?
More than 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. More than 10 lakhs.
Land 10 lakhs. Makes sense. 10 lakhs. One vada say 10 lakhs. Second vada say 10 lakhs.
No.
Second vada say
10 or 5.
The more and more vada you make, the price will decline. That's the tea example. More number of people comes and more tea excel, price will decline. Like economic concept. Digital marketing program. What is called digital marketing? Marketing done in a digital format. So Instagram influencers also they are the people who are doing digital marketing. Or any ad that you see in Instagram or YouTube shorts anywhere, element digital marketing. Because remember, it's not like you study the demand and then you produce it. You create the demand and make the people come. So Amazon is there, right? Amazon. It all comes under resilience. When you think about Amazon, is Amazon a profitable company? Very much. Amazon books are there, books. And the sections, book section, are they making profit in that? No. They are making loss in that. Why? Because what they do is, for the book or price 200, cost it, not price, cost it 200. How much price you will sell? 210, 220. At least you will sell for 200 and 150 rate, 150 profit. They will sell it for 180. 180 no loss, last time. Because when you sell it for 180, what happens in the mind of the customers? Kadaiya not 220. Amazon is 180. Let me purchase from Amazon. More number of people will come to Amazon. More number of people will come to Amazon, and eventually all the brick and mortar shop will make loss. Appa will push it to killing markets. This is another way of selling things. Initially, keeping it cheap. Think about the Jio vandu Jio vandu which company will expand? Axel, Docomo, Idea, all this went away. Merged with Vodafone, Docomo, Valley, Axel, out. All this happened because it did enough penetration. So these kind of competition will always be there. Nash, have you heard about this guy called Nash? Nash? Yeah, ma'am. Say Apple ladder. That is another thing. He is a noble lord. Not another noble lord. Okay, let's assume now the Nash. I'm Nash. Nash is an economist. Okay, he lived in 20th century. He got Nobel Prize. Our Richard Branson is a beautiful mind and please watch it. Nash is a very studious guy like SK physics student. Always studies. Okay, but you know friends who are not studious. They are pulling you towards the path. The proper to the path. You are studying there also. If you know friends are hey, don't study here. It's not a place for studying. But you are not minding the work. You are working over the economic theories and policies. If you know one beautiful girl is entering the world. That girl is seeing Nash. All the friends are saying Nash. That girl is seeing you. Nash and the girl are there. Again, he's starting to work with the economic theories. All the friends are shouting, hey, that girl is seeing you, man, but he is not minding her. Again, he sees that girl and then he gets working on it. The girl gets insulted. After that, all his friends are saying, you are very bad. This is not the way you should behave in the world. Suddenly, Nash is saying, Adam Smith is wrong. What you are reading? Because this scene is there in a beautiful mind. Please watch the movie. Nash was reading the word you waited for the song to open up. Tamil cinema was a song, and another song was then he is finding out an important theory in the life. He is meeting his friends again and asking, if I see that girl back, that girl is seeing me. If I see that girl back, will you all be happy? Like a little jealousy over here. If I see that girl back and if she sees me back, and the girl or friends are happy about her, you have a jealousy person. Will it be there or not? It will be there, right? When I work on the individual levels and when she works on the individual level, the team gets affected. When we consider the team, for example, நம்ம 5 பேர் அவங்க 5 பேர். இப்படி இண்டிவிஜுவலா நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா பிரச்சனை இல்ல. But if I focus on the girl and if she focuses on me, my friends will get upset and her friends will also get upset. அப்படின்றது Nash was finding. This is what we mean by the initial stages of the game theory. Game theory means always think in terms of the team. Don't ever think in the terms of individual levels. What Adam Smith said, division of labor. What Nash is saying, work in a group. What is good for the team, work. What is better for the unit, work. You have to work in accordance with the requirements of the team, not just the individual levels. Say when the individual level is suppose just a girl in the class, individually she is very good at badminton. Team putting a side of there are people like that. Kaniya படிப்பாங்க ஆனா குரூப்பா படிச்சாங்க சரியா படிப்பாங்க. They work very individual levels, but in a group their performance is all. Correct இல்லையா? Because சில பேர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா குரூப்பா நல்லா perform பண்ணுவாங்க. Like football player. Individually they don't have any talent. They are good team players. So what Nash is saying is, I don't mind about the individual preference. It's all about the company. When it comes for the company, when it comes for the unit, you should work in a team. If a Nash equilibrium couple who is saying that the emergence of the gig economy says you should work in an individual level and you should try to increase your skill levels. அப்போ அதுக்கு நிறைய இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வரும் அது பிரேக் பண்ணா ரெசிலியன்ஸ். Clear? Go for the next one. இப்போடைய ஸ்டார்டிங் ஸ்டேஜ். Any idea when the gig actually started? சும்மா ஒரு இயர் சொல்லுங்க. Year in the 21st century, right? இப்போ என்ன செஞ்சுரி gig வந்திருக்கும்? 1970. கிட்டன்ற கான்செப்ட் பழசு. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் திருவள்ளுவர் இருக்காங்க. திருவள்ளுவர் பணத்தை பற்றி பேசினாரா இல்லையா? As he spoken about money, do you call him as the father of economics? He's a philosopher. பணத்தை பற்றி 1000 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி பேசியிருக்காரு. But why we call Adam Smith as the father of economics? Because he has proven his theory with data and facts, with the statistics, with a bunch of information. He has not just studied molecular biology, he has not given a philosophy. He has proven the data, facts. So when it comes like that, historical background of the kid did not start as something now. It has gone for 2000 years. Equally initial stage வந்து பார்த்தா 2000 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி கிட்ன்ற கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு. ஆனா அது வந்து எப்போ ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆச்சுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த லாஸ்ட் செஞ்சுரி எஸ்பெஷலி இந்த 20th செஞ்சுரி இந்த வேர்ல்டு வார் வந்து இல்லையா அந்த நேரத்துக்கு கிட் வந்து நிறைய வருது. எப்போ பிகாஸ் இந்த வேர்ல்டு வார் between 1940 and 1918 many people who were professor, let's assume professor, they were doing another work. என்ன ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க? டாக்டரா அந்த நர்ஸ்னா இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, they were forced to do that work because there's a need for it. So when there's a need for the economy, the particular profession will be emerging. So இதுதான் historical background usually. Next if you look into it, digital transformation. The digital era பார்த்தீங்கன்னா see 1970s we can see the digital era. But after 2010 or 2014 exclusively, you see that the requirements and the need and the usage of the digital has increased enormously. Correct? But digital அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, I'll make it little technical. இப்போ மொபைல் ஃபோன்ல வந்து you are watching a YouTube video. Okay? 5 minutes. Digital way of understanding ஒரு e-content பார்க்குறீங்க. Let's assume நான் இப்போ 1 hour பேசுறேன் இல்லையா, அதை 5 minutes பேச முடியுமா? I can do it. கட் ஷார்ட் பண்ணி முக்கியமான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் ஐ கேன் கட் அண்ட் ஐ மேக் இட் அஸ் a 5 minutes வீடியோ. நான் இந்த மாதிரி 5 minute வீடியோ வந்து யூடியூப்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணி இங்க போடுறேன். நீங்க அதை எல்லாமே பார்ப்பீங்க. ஆப்ஷன் 1. செகண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் இஸ் அதையே எலாபரேட் பண்ணி ஐ அம் கோயிங் டு ஸ்பீக் ஃபார் 3 hours. Which one will you prefer? 5 minutes. Why? Sir, there are sir. I have another better words. நான் உட்கார்ந்து 3 hours எப்படி பார்க்குறது? I will go for watching a video because digital saves your time. Saves a lot of time. And you have to look into your own lifestyle. நேற்று நடந்ததை மட்டும் அப்படியே கண்ணு மூடி ரிகலெக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. How many minutes you spend in the digital? எவ்வளவு அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் நீங்க பார்த்துருக்கீங்க? கொஞ்சம் இல்லைன்னா நாளைக்கு look into everything in a very quite awareness. அப்படின்னா எவ்வளவு அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் இங்கே கம்மிங் பண்ணுறோம், எவ்வளவு டிஜிட்டல் பேனல்ஸ் பார்ப்பீங்க இந்த மொபைல் ஃபோன், எவ்வளவு டிஜிட்டல் பார்ப்பீங்க, எவ்வளவு லைவாக பார்ப்பீங்க. Please see that in digital you see around 30 to 40 advertisements without your knowledge. Correct? Without your understanding, you come across 30 to 40. Amam soap நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் இல்லையா? Then why do they give advertisements for Amam soap? Because it is needed that they have to give a reminder that they are still there. இப்போ ஆட்டோ இல்லையா, ஆட்டோவில் வந்து they are writing a statement, God is great. God must be great. Because God is great, He has created us all. Then why is God is great? Reminder. சரிங்களா? இப்போ நீங்கள் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்டோட ஒரு ஜெலசி இல்லை some fight with your friend or with your family members, you get that hit. அதுக்கான சொல்ல தலைக்கிழமை. அப்போ ஆட்டோவில் இருக்கிற God is great பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு படிக்கல வைக்கலையா, ரிமைண்டர். மொட்டை அடிப்பாங்க இல்லையா, ஏன் மொட்டை அடிக்கிறாங்க? இதுதான் உன்னுடைய கீதம், இதுதான் உன்னுடைய கவுண்ட், இதை கடவுளுக்கு பாதையில் இருக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ உன்னோட தலைக்கிழமை இருக்கு இல்லையா, பிகாஸ் ஹேர் இஸ் பியூட்டி. ஹேர் இல்லை அப்படின்னா அது தலைக்கிழமை, அது இல்லாமல் நீ கடவுள் முன்னாடி இருக்கிறது இதுதான் அந்த வாட்ஸ் புரியுதுங்களா? ஸோ சேம் ஆஸ்பெக்ட் இஸ் வாட் இஸ் லுக்கிங் டு தி கிக் ஆல்சோ. when it comes for the kick, it is converting into digital. So no more you have to just have a physical space and expect people to come. You have to do lot of everything aspects in the digital. So now you need a sociology students there. How do you promote yourself? When you are sociologist ஆகிறீங்க, உங்க எப்படி ஊருக்கு வர தெரியும்? You have to be very strong in digital, very strong. எப்படின்னா நீங்க பண்ற ஒரு சின்ன காரியத்தை கூட டிஜிட்டல்ல பிரசன்ட் பண்ணி அதை வந்து பெருசா காட்டணும். அப்பதான் வந்து என்ன ஆகும், மக்கள் வந்து பார்ப்பாங்க. No one is ready to see you. Come to your place. In digital, they don't have to come to your place. You can go and visit their place. So whether you like it or not, you can enter space. And slowly you can enter inside his mind. So for that, what is needed? You should be quite strong in the digital part. That's the point I am discussing. And the last one is foundation. And picture panel, consumer and then independent contractors providing services. What happens is, you are planning to start a juice shop, a rose milk, bottom milk, continuously people are purchasing only one juice from your shop. Let's assume rose milk. What is the message that you are getting from those people? Message, so I interpret and say, 70% is drinking rose milk, remaining 30% You know what's the message that you're giving? Rose milk for demand. Will you be planning to increase the price of the rose milk? Remember always that when there is some more demand, not necessarily that you should increase the price. When there is a shortage of the supply, only you should increase the price. Know the difference between these two. More demand, not necessarily you should increase the price, but when there is a shortage of supply, only you should increase the price. But now you have rose milk quantity coming here. Many people are purchasing. You are finding it hard to procure. Then you increase the price. You will not sell it for the same price because when you increase the price of something, what happens? Demand will fall. Now the tea example is over there. 8 rupee tea, you have to sell it for 7 rupees to make the profit of 3. You should not make it 9 rupees, so that should not make it 11 rupees or 12 rupees or excess, which will increase the profit. You should always reduce the cost to compensate for the profit. Depending on Maggi, almost I think for 10 to 15 years, the Maggi was 10 rupees. 10 rupees every manage now, quantity comes from quantity same now. Every year it was able to withstand and sell it for almost 10 years with the same price. Inflation in India, demand in India, prospect in India, why is able to allow it to manage it? Because we did more promotions like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola price what will yes, the cost of it 150.95 paise. Research paper, actual numbers. 150.95 paise, 2023. You are buying it for 40 rupees, 50 rupees. 150.95 is being sold for 50 rupees. In the extra cost of advertisement, promotions, IPL, promote because they have to show their presence aggressively because Coke and Pepsi is in the maturity stage. Once you lose out time, you have stopped it. They should continuously say that they are existing and it's a refreshing product and the kind of picture style and picture solidity. After that, and the demand continues like it. Pepsi and the same now, it is risk. What do we do? Insert chips. Diversifying the products. What is diversification? Because if I sell only one product, there is a chance that people may stop and my company will be shut down. Let me sell chips, this, food grade. Pepsi now, people start பண்ணுறீங்க. Let's assume you are social you are opening up an enterprise of your own and then you are giving advice to the government and advising on the social welfare. இது மட்டுமே focus பண்ணுங்க. Social welfare methods advice to the government of Tamil Nadu. Do you think that you have to organize? You should expand your service. Social service and social welfare not only to the government of Tamil Nadu, government of Telangana, government of Andhra Pradesh, and increase it to something else also. Election advisors, everyone social justice and you should increase your brand. The more and more you are specialized, it's good that you become a specialist person. The more and more you expand, you get more customers. More and more customers means what? In the rose milk example now. What happens is, one side will become a specialist and also you will be able to get the remaining people also. Suppose you are saying rose milk is 70% people are coming. Let me sell only rose milk. Wrong strategy. Amazon is selling books at a loss. Others copying it. The more and more I sell, the more and more people will shop will be closed. Everyone will have no other option apart from purchasing from me. Chance is clear. In the matter, even though you find some discrepancies, problems, you should continue to serve it, even if you are making loss. Okay, you should expand your services. Please remember, the one who has expanded the service has never lost the economy, never lost the game of business. Expand money. When our academy, first I started like, we take class only for 12th standard. After that, 2018. Only classes for 12th standard. And then many people came and inquired for 11th standard. So okay, 11th are the same then. So 11th and 12th. And then I feel that many people are inquiring to me about the government exams. Expanding the government exams. Many people are coming and asking advice to me. Expanding to my parents. Many people are asking me about research articles. Expanding to research articles. Many people are asking me about statistical books. Expanding statistical books. And all also the academic book. You just type out academy in Google. You just see the expansion of the services that I have made. It's because I have learned from my mistakes. I mean, you want to focus on. You have to expand your services. If you don't know, learn it. If you know it, become a specialist. These are the basic agenda. Clear? Next one. Resilience into entrepreneurship. Resilience is not. பிரச்சனை வந்தா ஃபேஸ் பண்றது தைரியம். எல்லாருமே பிரச்சனையை ஃபேஸ் பண்ண தைரியம் இருக்கா? கிடையவே உங்களுக்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு தைரியம் இருக்குன்னு நீங்க தான் சரி எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லாரும் கிடைச்சாரு நான் எடுக்கிற ரிஸ்க் வந்து நீங்க எடுக்க மாட்டீங்க இப்போ இந்த செகண்ட் ஃப்ளோர் வந்து முடிப்பா ஸ்டெப்லாம் ஃப்ளோர் வந்து முடியுமா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ளோர் வந்து முடியுமா முடியாது 4 ஸ்டெப்ல இருந்து முடியாது கரெக்டா இல்லையா ஸோ ஒவ்வொருத்தவங்களுக்கும் ஒரு மாதிரி கம்மி யூ கேனாட் சே எவ்ரிவன் கேன் பிகம் திஸ் எவ்ரிவன் கேன் பிகம் ஐஏஎஸ் அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது அக்கார்டிங் டு யுவர் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் பட் இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் த ஸ்கோப் ஆஃப் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் ப்ளீஸ் டோன்ட் லூஸ் சில பேர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்மார்ட் ஒர்க் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா ஸ்மார்ட் ஒர்க் அப்படின்றது ஃபார் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் லெட்ஸ் அஸ்யூம் I'll give a case. Social people answer it. Is it a smart work or not? He was born in a very rich family. One guy was born in a very rich family. Let's assume he's a billionaire. School, college, எல்லாமே வந்து ஹோம் டியூஷன் தான். எல்லாம் best faculty to classes போறாங்க. ஏதாவது தெரியலனா உடனே இந்த பர்టిక్యులர் ப்ரொஃபசர் will come and answer. அந்த மாதிரி ஒருத்தர் வந்துருக்கான். அப்படி வச்சுக்கோங்க. இன்னொருத்தர் ஹேண்டிகேப். ஓகே கால்குலேட்டர். assume it is but space over கால்குலேட்டர். இப்போ என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா இவர் வந்து கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்கூல்ல இருக்காரு கவர்மெண்ட் காலேஜ்ல இருக்காரு எல்லாமே கவர்மெண்ட் தான் இப்போ ரெண்டு பேருமே இவன் ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கிங் பயங்கர ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கிங் எவ்ரிடே ஸ்டடிஸ் அவங்க அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது அவங்க எப்போதான் என்ன டவுட்டோ ஆளுக்கு தான் சொல்லி தருவாங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒரு காமன் எக்ஸாம் எழுதுறாங்க லெட்ஸ் அஸ்யூம் போத் ஆஃப் தம் ஆர் ஃப்ரம் எஸ்சி போத் ஆஃப் தம் ஆர் ஃப்ரம் எஸ்சி எஸ்சி டசன்ட் மீன் தே ஆர் பிஃபோர் நம்ம எஸ்சி தான் ரிச் ஆல்சோ ஸோ லெட்ஸ் அஸ்யூம் ரெண்டு பேருமே எஸ்சி வச்சுக்கோம் ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒரு எக்ஸாம் எழுதுறாங்க கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாம் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி இஸ் கிளியர் இஸ் நாட் கிளியர் When I say what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this?
Smart.
Apply a different question towards you. You think about it. So you don't have to go. A person born in a very poor family, auto driver of a payyan. இன்னொருத்தர் வந்து ஒரு பிசினஸ் மேனோட பையன் ரெண்டு பேரும் சேம் கிளாஸ் எக்கனாமிக் டிஃபரன்ஸ் பயங்கரமா இருக்கு பிசினஸ் மேன் இஸ் earning in lakhs and millions this guy is earning in thousands ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒரே எக்ஸாம் எழுதலாம் he gets more he gets less very high chance. So what do you answer first? Another question. One person born in a rich family, one person born in a poor family. God is coming in front of you. What was the first question? What is Janma? I mean, God should have told you. Example. Many people don't believe. Many people don't have the concept of the Janma. Suppose you are asking the God same question. Why there is a difference in the birth itself? What answer God gives? Unsolved question. Because these are all elements which plays an enormous amount of the economy. Because your customers, your people, the people who you are going to deal are not same. இங்க இருக்கிற எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு காமன் அஜெண்டா இருக்கு. Criminologist, sociologist. இத தவிர உங்களுக்கு காமனாலிட்டி எதுவும் கிடையாது. You are a product of escapism. That's it. அதுக்காக காமனா இருக்கா? இந்த வீடு வேற அவங்க வீடு வேற. இந்த நைனா வேற அவங்க நைனா வேற. ரன்னிங்ஸ் வேற எல்லாம் வேற. இது போற வெஹிக்கிள் வேற அவங்க போற வெஹிக்கிள் வேற. Your expectation is different. Their expectation is different. Everything is different. But as an enterprise or person who is going to become an entrepreneur, you have to look into the differences, but at the same time, you have to fulfill their requirements. Differences இருக்கும், ஆனால் requirements fulfill பண்ணணும். இதெல்லாம் very challenge. இந்த challenges தான் நம்ம resilience சொல்றோம். Because the moment you enter outside the world, after being a student, நீங்க ஒரு entrepreneur இல்லை any profession போகும்போதோ, you will face the world little different. The world will be little different. எப்படின்னா கூடவே இருப்பாங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்டு நினைப்பீங்க. ஆனா உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட் கிட்ட பேசுற மாதிரி பேச முடியாது because he is a colleague she is a colleague and friends are different friends கிட்ட பேசுற மாதிரி colleague கிட்ட பேச முடியுமா colleague என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க they try for promotions you try for promotions there will be a small politics all this will be there small politics will be there உங்க இடத்துக்கு ஏற்ப சின்ன நீங்களும் பண்ணுவீங்க அவங்களும் பண்ணுவாங்க all this will happen so when certain things are happening you think about an entrepreneur you will also be facing so many things because the first and the foremost is competition. What happens is நீங்க பண்ற அதே இன்னொருத்தர் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்போ கஸ்டமர்ஸ் வந்து உங்களை சூஸ் பண்ணனும்னா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? they will not play the game. You are the best. They are the best service. இதெல்லாம் பண்றாங்க நிறைய நம்பர் 1. இப்போ சென்சோடைன் இருக்கு இல்லையா? டாக்டர்ஸ் ரெக்கமெண்ட் சென்சோடைன். அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஆட் பண்றாங்க இல்லையா? In India, according to the medical code, no doctor should give any recommendations on the brand labels. No doctor should come and give advertisement. அப்போ சென்சோடைன் டாக்டர் யாரு? He is a doctor but practicing in UK. கீழே போட்டுருவாங்க வெளில பாருங்க. In India you cannot see any person the doctor stating about it. But அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் எங்க சேல் ஆகுது? இந்தியாவில். Think what I am trying to say is competition will be more the moment you come outside and start something of your own. எல்லாமே entrepreneur ஆக போறது இல்ல. ஒரு entrepreneur ஆகணும் சரி இல்லை if you are going to work in a company this resilience concept must be there. The more and more resilient we will be able to adapt. அதான் சரிங்களா? clear? Go next one. I'm going. Just stop on it. பரவாயில்லையா? Okay? Next one. Till what time you want class? Okay. With this I love you. Take cases. All stories. Clear. JIT. Full form answer JIT. J-I-T. Just in time. Okay, that's what JIT. I go. We'll take two people as an example. 1, 2. இப்போ இவங்க வந்து ஒரு பைக் ஷோரூம் வச்சிருக்காங்க. She's having a bike showroom. An entire shop size is only this much. நான் நிக்கிறேன் அந்த podium size. Mistake. இவ்வளவுதான் shop size. She's having a table like this, chair like this. Anyone who comes and says, இவங்க சொல்றாங்க, மேடம் எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கூட்டி வேணும். She is saying, மேடம் எனக்கு ஒரு ஆக்டிவா வேணும். She is saying எனக்கு ஒரு பெப்பு வேணும். பெப்பு அது She is saying எனக்கு வெஸ்பா வேணும். அப்படின்னு சொல்லி she is asking some other vehicle. இவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க? Making note of it. And saying, madam, tomorrow it will be good. Tomorrow, because she is having showroom somewhere else, or she is having tie-up with the manufacturer. Chances are there or not? About our office space and the office space. We rent என்ன பேசணும்? 3000 பேசணும்ல, 2000, 1500 இவ்வளவு ஸ்பேஸ். ஆனா நீங்க வண்டி கேட்டீங்கன்னா அடுத்த நாள் ஒரு வீட்ல ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் முடிச்சு பக்கவா இருக்கும். இப்போ அவுட்லெட். She is having this much big showroom. நிறைய வண்டி இருக்கு. ஆனா அவங்க சொல்றாங்க செலக்ட் பண்ணுங்க 1 வீக்ல வண்டி வந்துரும். Which is better? This one or this one? அவங்க கிட்ட போய் நல்லா யோசிக்கணும். Which one is better? போய் ஸ்கிரீன் மேக்கர் சொல்லுங்க. நான் இங்க பின்னாடி டப்பா சேர் டப்பா சேர் இதே நம்ம சொல்லி நாளைக்கு கேட்குறேன். அவங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நல்லா பிராண்டாக வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஐ திங்க் ஒரு வாரம் கூட பரவாயில்ல சேஃபாக இருக்கும். டிபிக்கல் ஹியூமன் மைண்ட்ஸ் சான்ஸ் what she became a famous girl. Allah famous. She is known for delivering the bike in one day. இப்போ என்ன இப்போ ஜெனரல் மைண்டுக்கு வந்து இங்க வேணா இங்க போயிடலாம் அப்படின்னு. இப்போ what she is doing is what JIT. I will not have any product with me right now, but the moment you ask something, when the demand is created, supply will happen next day. Because I have contact with the manufacturer, I focus more on channel and the chain rather than the infrastructure of the space. How to run? That definition is I focus more on chain and manufacturer to customer chain. I focus more on contact, networking, than space in infrastructure. That is the philosophy. She is saying a customer coming inside the company should feel pleasant, should feel safe, should feel that they are buying it from a safe and a beautiful shop. And the way, kind of a feeling you should get. That's our definition. Even though the definition is very cheap, when we talk about the gig economy, it follows JIT. Here, we should be able to service it quickly. Now, coming to the 4 examples, Adani Enterprise, everyone knows Adani Enterprise. Was a controversial company. India, I think, got a book this book. I read about this concept called Hindenburg. அவங்க வந்து அமெரிக்காவை சார்ந்த ஜேர்னலிஸ்ட் 9 members. அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? They target a company. Adani was the third targeted company. They target a company. They will say what are the mistakes the company did in the last 10 to 15 years. என்ன தப்பு பண்ணாங்க? என்னென்னலாம் வந்து மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணாங்க? இது எல்லாத்தையுமே ஒரு ரிப்போர்ட் மாதிரி ரெடி பண்ணி பப்ளிக் டொமைன்ல ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. அப்படி பண்ணா what happens to the share of the Adani? So that time Adani நடந்தது 2 years back. What Adani did? They did not respond to it. Share price was 4,500. It became 2,800. How did they push? One share 4,500 இருந்து 2,800 வந்தது. What Adani did is they never responded to it. They said that we don't have any problem. All this our fake data. அது சொல்லிட்டே இருந்தாங்க. They did not respond to the company directly, but they focused on the people. And eventually, what happened today? The price is around 3,200. So they are able to withstand certain things. It's an example of a resilience. Now, Reliance Industry இருக்கும். Reliance Industry India's biggest company. In Reliance Industry, there are totally 600 crore shares. What is the population of India? Yes.
8 crores.
What is the population of India?
9 crores. More than 9 crores.
More than
9 crores.
no.
சென்சஸ் சொல்லு சார் இப்போதைக்கு
143 crores. India population 143 crores. Tamil population 8.5 crores cross. தப்பா நினைச்சிருக்கீங்களா? 10 crore 20 crore 143. We are the number one populated country in the world. We have beaten China in January. 2024 January we have beaten China. We are the most populous country. Populous. So populous country India. So India got 143 crore இருக்கா? Number of shares Reliance is having 600 crore share, more than the population of India. இதுல 300 crore share one day is having. யாருக்கு? Mukesh Ambani. One share of the price is 3,000 rupees. 3,000 multiplied by 300 crore share. That is the valuation of Mukesh Ambani, which comes around 10 lakh crores. Total demonetized amount is 13 lakh crore. Mukesh Ambani is having 10 lakh crore. Very amount. But these are all in the share. For example, you look at her grandmother gave a house to her. Her house is valued in the market for 3 crore, but she is unemployed. What is her net worth? 3 crore. What is her earning? 0. So இந்த மாதிரி தான் we handle it as a business. When it comes to the Reliance எவ்வளோ problem வந்தாலுமே what is the one thing that they focus is they were focusing on diversification. Diversification means Reliance is having a news channel, Reliance is having a vegetable market, Reliance is having a dress shop, Reliance is into online, they are into petroleum, refinery. எல்லாம் வந்தாங்க இல்லையா, they are also into telecommunications, Jio. இதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்னா resilience is the best form of the resilience. That is, any problem happens in one company, we do diversification. This is another example. And one person I wanted to say is Jamal. Jamal is a businessman. He is a car driver. Have I mentioned that? Yes. He is a rider. Driver. இவர் என்ன பண்ணாருன்னா அவருடைய ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு போகிற டைம்லையும் வீட்டுக்கு வர டைம்லையும் யாரெல்லாம் காமனாக அந்த ட்ரைவர் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த ஃபெசிலிட்டி கொடுத்தாரு. எங்கள் காரில் அவங்க யூ கேன் ஷேர் த ஃபேன். இப்போ எனக்கு பெட்ரோல் நான் கார் வச்சுருக்கேன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இங்கே இருந்து நான் என் காலேஜுக்கு போகிறேன். 1,000 rupees petrol. So he is saying, sir, I also am going in the direction only. I am saying, okay, ma'am, fine, give me 400 rupees. But if she goes by car, if she goes around by car, you know, you can take 1,000 rupees for a day. If she gets limited, I just pay limited. I pay 600, she pay 400. Benefit are there. This is a full rating issue over here. So this is an example of Jama. So when it comes for competition, you are starting something in enterprise. So enterprise, what is the first thing the customer do is quality. Second one is cost. கம்மியாக இருக்கா பார்ப்பாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ கம்மியாக இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கும்போது யூ ஷுட் ஆல்சோ கிவ் த சர்வீஸ் ஃபார் லெஸ் பிரைஸ் பட் நாட் காம்பன்சேட்டிங் ஆன் குவாலிட்டி. காஸ்ட் கம்மியாக இருக்கணும், குவாலிட்டியில் காம்பன்சேஷன் கொடுக்கணும். அப்போ வாட் யூ ஷுட் டூ இஸ் வித்தவுட் ஃபோக்கஸிங் ஆன் த காம்பன்சேட்டிங் ஆன் குவாலிட்டி யூ ஷுட் கிவ் த காஸ்ட் பண்ணும்போது யூ ஷுட் இன்க்ரீஸ் யுவர் கஸ்டமர் பேஸ். அப்போ டைவர்சிஃபிகேஷன். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் an example of experience. இப்போ நிறைய இருக்கும். I can go on another 1 hour experience, but I will restrict myself to the time that I will mention. Clear? Policy consideration, final and the last implements. Policy consideration அப்படின்னா இப்போ தமிழ்நாடு பிளானிங் கமிஷன் இருக்கா? தமிழ்நாடு துறையா பிளானிங் கமிஷன்? எஸ். இஸ் இந்தியா பிளானிங் கமிஷன்? In India planning commission is taken over in 2015. India is also and Tamil Nadu is still a planning commission. Madras commission, corporate area is a planning commission. This Tamil Nadu planning commission, for example, இப்போ for instance இந்த 4 பேருக்கு கார் வாங்குறாங்க கார். But they don't have parking space. என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? பார்க்கிங் பண்ண மாதிரி அடிச்சுப்பாங்க. They have car, but they don't have parking space. Government is coming up with a proposal. Government is planning to open up certain streets where they can park their vehicle for a monthly basis 1,000 rupees. The proposal agreement. They say by 2025 by government market. அப்போ நீங்கள் கார் வாங்கினீங்கன்னா கார் பார்க்கிங் வைக்கணும் அவசியம் இல்லை, ரோட்லேயே வைக்கலாம். வித் சிசிடிவி ஃபெசிலிட்டியோட யூ கேன் ஒர்க் வித் 1,000 rupees. இந்த பாலிசி டிராஃப்ட்ல இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் ஐ நோ த பர்சன் இஸ் தி பிளானிங் கமிஷன். அவர் காலேஜ் வரும்போது he was talking about. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு முறையும் எப்படி கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து எஃபிஷியண்டாக ரன் பண்ணலாம். ரிமெம்பர் when you earn money you pay tax, income tax. When you buy something you pay tax, GST. When you make something you pay tax, customs, excise. Enter into the tax. What is the role of the government? Get the tax from you, give it back to the people. Now, what is important for the government is policy. The policy should be in such a way that it touches all the people. இப்போ ஜன்ஜீவன் சொல்றாங்க. அப்படின்னா everyone should get it is required. அதே மாதிரி தான் வந்து டிகே நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா as of now we don't have a policy. As government come up with any such thing called டிகே பத்தி எல்லாம் பேசுறாங்க. So there is a lack of policy in டிகே program. So I am giving them to you to make a study about it, discuss with your family members and professors and learn from it. இப்போ வந்து don't think of 1% scope of டிகே right. It must become a part of your life. டிகே என்னது part time வேலை செய்யறது, full time ஒரு பண்றீங்க. For suppose she is very good at designing an art. Sell the paintings, then டிகே. Sell the paintings online. Sell the paintings any places where they are accepting you online. But she is good in writing poems. Make it a book, sell it in the online. There are many ways. Okay? So we went with that. Any questions you have? Usually take my attention. Any questions? Was it okay? Did I make sense to you? Can I get yes?